I don't know how you can roll around on that. You don't give a darn. Welcome to Vlogmas day number 18. It is sleeting now. Or is it raining? I don't know. But it's not that nice out here right now. It snowed a little bit, then turned to sleeting rain. So that's why I was saying I don't know why the dog could roll around on that. But I'm going to go clean up my car so I could go to work. Yippee! And we'll see where the day takes us. So, while Tucker's having fun rolling around on sleet and snow, I'm going to go get ready for work. Well, I'm back home. It's 5 o'clock. Get the chill now. My eyes are just bugging me. I just did a lot of eye work at work, so I'm like, ugh. Even with my glasses. But, yeah, today was not a great day. A lot of snow, then sleet, then rain, then sleet. Now it's snowing pretty good. I'll show you guys here. Yeah, just a little flurry in the air. So I think I'm gonna make maybe chicken fried steak for dinner tonight. We'll see. I have the cube steak already defrosting anyway. And then I do have to make an appetizer for our Christmas party that I was talking about yesterday. The one I made the card for and all that. So I am going to make crack weenies. Yeah, I said crack weenies. They're the little smokies, whatever you want to call them. That's wrapped in the bacon and have the brown sugar and butter topping. Oh, they're so bad, but yet they're so good. I think that's why they're called crack weenies, but I gotta make those tonight for tomorrow. So I'll show you guys how I make them. They're really not that hard, but yeah, you get to hang out with me while I'm doing that anyway, so I'll catch you guys in a little bit.
Everything look just like it should at Yuletide. The parcels are
got done with dinner. That was actually my first time making chicken fried steak, a true chicken fried steak. It actually came out pretty good. The sauce came out a little bit lumpier than I wanted, but it still came out good. So I'll share the recipe down below for you guys. Alright, now we did get a package in the mail today, so let's go see what's in there. Got a special package in the mail today from the P.O. box, dear.
We did.
It's from the one and only Nurse Nancy, so we're going to see what goodies we have in here.
Let's see.
We gotta read the card first. It's only proper.
Took her too.
Aww.
Oh, Nancy, you're not.
She's a total sweetheart.
Yeah. What do we got? Ooh, some rum cake.
Ooh, rum cake's good.
Rum cake's good. Maple bourbon cake.
Ooh.
Nancy, you are too sweet. I'm taking it she made those herself. 'Cause they look homemade.
Yeah, they look excellent. So she's hitting the right course. Rum cake, bourbon cake.
Yeah. Some caramel corn.
Ooh.
Rolo pretzels.
Ooh. They
You have
sound
to try
yummy.
those. And honey almonds.
Ooh.
This one, the bone came off.
Aw.
Little jingle bell.
Aw.
But Nancy, thank you. That is so sweet.
Yes. You outdone yourself again.
Cannot wait to cruise with you guys and meet you guys in September on the Mardi Gras.
Yes.
It can't come soon enough.
I know.
Hope you guys have a great Christmas and a great New Year. Yeah. Thanks again.
Yes, thank you so much.
You guys are awesome.
All right. Now, we could dig into the stuff, right?
Absolutely.
And Nance, you're good with the whole stomach thing. None of this will bother my stomach. Only like hot sauce and seeds. Other than that, I'm good. And guys, please make sure to check out Nancy's channel. I'm going to leave a link down below. She has some awesome content too. So subscribe and check her out. Ooh, try a little bit of Nancy's rum cake. It's strong, but it's really good. And thank you again, Nancy, for that. You're such a doll and a sweetheart. And of course, thank you to Anthony also for thinking about us. Greatly appreciate it. But now I can make some crack weenies. So stick around and I will get the weenies out. That just sounds weird. Alright, for the crack weenies, and it only consists of 4 ingredients. The weenies, brown sugar. I have light and dark brown sugar, but probably for this I'll use the dark brown. Stick of butter, and of course, your bacon. Alright, let's put them all together, guys.
I don't know what he's thinking when he'd rather spend his Christmas holiday with someone else. I guess he stopped thinking about me. Yeah. I don't know what he's thinking when he says that he's been driving all night, all day to celebrate Christmas with me. But he's not here, and I'm not there. I don't know what he wants now, but I don't care. Yeah. Oh, ain't ringing my bells no more. miss out on love, and that's for sure. Oh, he ain't ringing my bells no more. Oh, he missed out on love, and that's for sure. I don't know what he wants now, and I don't know why he said all the things he said to me. It means nothing to me now. 'Cause there will be someone who would not complain to drive all night, all day to celebrate Christmas with me. 'Cause you're not here and I'm not there. I don't know what you want now, but I don't care. Oh, you ain't ringing my bells no more. Oh, you miss out on love, and that's for sure. You ain't ringing my bells no more.
Since I made an appetizer, today's cruise question is, what is your favorite appetizer on the ship? I know Dave loves the strawberry bisque. It's one of my favorites too. And he likes those prosciutto ruffles, the prosciutto and the cantaloupe. They are so good too. And I like the spring rolls. But we also like, and it's on the dessert menu, we get a cheese plate, which to me, cheese is more of an appetizer than dessert anyway, but that's just a tip for you guys. Even though it's on that dessert menu, you can order as an appetizer. It's really good. So drop a comment below. What is your favorite appetizer? Thanks guys for another day of hanging out with us. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday, and hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful evening. Bye.